It's a how-to on how to remove a 2010 Nissan Titan lock cylinder. Haven't seen many out there on YouTube. Start by removing this panel. Trim piece. It's 2 Phillips at the bottom. Then there's a metal piece with 4 10 mils. I dropped the steering column. It's just 2 bolts. There's 4 bolts in total, but I dropped these 2. They're 12 mils. And now I'm gonna remove the lock cylinder. Car has to be an accessory. And there you go. It does have the key code right here. If anyone wants to cut a key, or if you just want to replace it, that's how you do it.